like how Thayer's curriculum focuses on problem solving, teamwork, analytics, and we find that they do really well at our firm and progress well through the levels. What I think really Thayer excels at is the fact that all of your projects are, or all your classes are project-oriented courses, and it's a really great environment to really build your teamwork skills, to really focus on sort of the business aspects. You're constantly working with other people. Thayer's a very social environment. It's really a tight-knit crowd. That's something that I found in common to both what I do now and what I found at Thayer.
Mostly we're looking for leadership experience. And it's a really solid program, especially the MEM, because it's setting you up for going into a field like manufacturing. It's management and engineering at the same time. So I think that's what makes the Dartmouth student good.
We definitely like the education that people get here. The type of person Alarm.com is someone who constantly is hungry for knowledge and hungry for sort of expanding their horizons. Obviously they're intelligent folks, they know how to problem solve, they're very analytical. We hire people who are, history majors, engineers. It doesn't really matter as long as you can problem solve. Here we actually have this little brain teaser, where, this is just the kind of thing that we do. We like people who can solve riddles and, are constantly thinking and want to sort of, evolve mentally. And that's why we come back here, and that's why we hire so heavily here,
I think the program as a whole, I've been over here and visited with the MEM director and very impressed with their methodology, their project management methodology. Given that, I think it's just makes for a well-rounded student. We're after the best of the best, We want the highest quality, serious, mature students, and we find that most folks we come across here at Dartmouth are just that.
At Thayer, there's a lot of, projects where there was team collaboration, which is important sort of in the workplace, because as a trader, having an idea and then getting that idea into production often involves several steps and several people. So I think Dartmouth students are particularly apt at that as well.
Although we're a software company, we find that people from mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, sometimes even physics, mathematics degrees, have that sort of troubleshooting background that we are looking for, sort of just general curiosity in terms of how things work, how they can be sort of broken down and built back up. Students who have been accepted to Dartmouth, they've already been sort of pre-screened for us, right? So we know that they're pretty smart, we know that they're pretty successful, we know that they're ambitious. So a lot of those things are sort of some of the intrinsic soft skills that we're looking for in candidates, how to sort of make them unique, right? We know that it's that they're going to have something special to bring to the table. So in addition to that, we know that they're going to have a solid education when they graduate from here.